Let us continue IUPAC nomenclature. We will take alkanes. In the alkanes, we will take the compound CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. Now, let us select the parent chain here. The parent chain is a longest continuous carbon chain, that is straight chain. Then we will say the branch. Branch is a methyl is a branch and ethyl is the branch. Which name we have to write first? As per alphabetical order, ethyl we have to write first because E comes first. Methyl we have to write next because M comes next. And here 6 carbons, therefore hexane. Hexane. Now we have to give the numbering to the parent chain. How to give the numbering? Which has to get least position. If we give numbering start from right, methyl gets 3, ethyl gets 4. Methyl gets 3, ethyl gets 4. If we start giving numbering from left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then ethyl gets 3, methyl gets 4. Which is correct? Now, as per alphabetical order, which comes first, that let it get least position. Therefore, we will give numbering start from left, so that ethyl is 3, methyl is 4. Next compound we will take CH3, CH2, 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 then CH, CH3, CH3, then CH3, CH2 3 times, CH3. Now let us select parent chain. The parent chain is a straight chain. Straight chain is the parent chain. Now we will see about the branch. This is the branch. In the branch, this is not a simple one. The branch is not simple one. The branch is like a complex. That means a complex substituent is the branch. For this, how to say the name? For which what we have to do means, we have to select a small parent in this and we have to select branches, then we have to say the name. So, in this, let us select the parent. In this complex substituent, let us select the parent. That where to start in the sense, the carbon of this complex substituent is directly attached to the main parent chain. There you start giving numbering. So, therefore, here 1 dash. To this carbon 1 dash. Because this carbon is directly attached to the main parent chain. Then continue. Either towards left or towards right or towards down, any manner you can continue. Here 2 dash, here 3 dash. Therefore, it is small parent. Okay. For this parent, this is the branch. This is the branch. Here, CH3 name is methyl. How many methyl groups means 2 methyl groups? Therefore, we can say it is a dimethyl. We can say. This two methyl groups we can say as a dimethyl. Okay, therefore dimethyl we said. Then here 3 carbon atoms are there. 3 carbon atoms means propyl. Next, this methyl group position 1 dash. This methyl group position 2 dash. This branch complex substituent is acting as a branch that we have written in the brackets. Then we have to say position of this branch in the main parent chain, we have to say, for which we have to give numbering in the main parent chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This complex substituent is present at 5th carbon of main parent chain, therefore 5 we have written here. Main parent chain contains 9 carbon atoms. 9 carbon atoms means a non, and carbon-carbon single bond means N. Therefore, non-N is the name for this compound. Okay. Next, we will take the compound CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH3. This compound we will take. For this, how to say the name, we will see. Here we will select the parent chain. We are selecting the parent chain here. This is the parent chain. Now, this comes under branch. This is branch, it is branch. How many methyl groups means 3 methyl groups, so that we can say trimethyl. 3 methyl groups, we can say trimethyl, we can say. Now, position of methyl groups, we have to say, for that we have to give the numbering. One possibility from right extreme, another possibility from left extreme. If you start from right extreme, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Branch positions 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5 we can say. Now, if we start from left extreme, this position is 2, this position is 4, this position is 5. This is 2, third, fourth carbon it is, fifth carbon it is. Therefore, 2, 4, 5. Now, let us add how much sum we are getting, we will see. We are getting 11. Here we will see 2, 3, 5 we will see. Here how much sum we are getting, you see that 10 we are getting. Sum of the locants is low here, therefore this is correct of numbering, this is wrong. Therefore, we have to give numbering in the starting from right side, because sum of the locants is low here. Okay. Then parent chain contains 6 carbon atoms, therefore we can say hexane. Next compound we will take CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, then here CH, CH3, CH3, CH2 2 times, CH3. Okay, we have taken this. Here let us select parent chain. We have selected the main parent. Then we will say the branch name. The branch is this. The branch is a complex substituent. Therefore, we have to select small parent here. Here, for which we have to give 1 dash, in the sense the carbon which is directly attached to main parent chain. That is this one. Therefore, for this 1 dash we will say. It is 2 dash. Now, for this carbon 1 dash, for this carbon 2 dash. It is a small parent. Now it is a branch for this small parent. This branch name is CH3, that name is methyl. So methyl we will say. Here 2 carbon atoms are there. 2 carbon atoms means ethyl. Like that we said. This methyl is present at 1 dash carbon. Now this complex substituent present at which carbon of parent chain we have to see. For that we have to give numbering in the main parent. Now this complex substituent present at fourth carbon of main parent, therefore 7 carbon atoms are there, therefore heptane. So IUPAC name of this one is this. We can say this one in another manner. In what way? This is the complex substituent. In this you see the second carbon. This second carbon is having 2 methyl groups. Left side 1 methyl group, right side 1 methyl group. If second carbon is having 2 methyl groups, then we can use the word iso. Then 3 carbon atoms are there, therefore prop and OL, isopropyl. So 1-methyl ethyl can be called as isopropyl. This isopropyl group attached at fourth carbon of main parent, therefore 4 isopropyl, 7 carbon atoms, therefore heptane. So 4 isopropyl heptane is the name of this compound. So IUPAC name for this one is either this first one, otherwise this second one. Any one we can say. Even isopropyl word iso in the sense that is we are using in the common names only. But this isopropyl, tertiary butyl, secondary butyl, these words for complex substituent in the IUPAC nomenclature is allowed. So for IUPAC name of this one we can say either this one, otherwise this one we can say. Next compound we will take CH3, CH2, CH2, CH branch C, CH3, 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 CH2 3 times, CH3. So we have taken this compound. For this, what is IUPAC name that we will see. Here let us select the parent chain. The parent chain is this one. Then this is the complex substituent. For this complex substituent, we have to select the prime parent. How to select the parent in the sense the carbon of this complex substituent is attached directly to the main parent chain. We have to give number 1. This is number 2. So here this is branch, this is branch. This name is methyl, this name is methyl. Therefore 2 methyl groups, so that we can say dimethyl. Here 2 carbon atoms are there, therefore ethyl. This methyl group attached at 1 dash, this methyl group attached at 1 dash. Then we have to say this complex substituent position in the main parent chain we have to say, for which we have to give numbering in the main parent. Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, 6, 7, 8. So this complex substituent present at 4th carbon, therefore we will give 4. Here 8 carbon atoms are there. 8 means oct and primary suffix is ane, octane. Like that we can say the name of this one. Next, in another way we can say this one. How? In the sense this is called, in this one, this carbon is a tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon is attached to main parent chain. Therefore this group can be called as tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl means a tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon should be there. So we can call this as a tertiary butyl. So this tertiary butyl present at 4th carbon of main parent, therefore 4 tertiary butyl we can say. 4 tertiary butyl. In the main parent chain 8 carbon atoms, therefore octane. So 4 tertiary butyl octane is the name of this compound. Next we will take we have taken this. Now we have taken the molecule in the bond notation. Here how to select parent chain, that we'll see. Here parent chain how we are selecting. This is the first carbon. It is the second carbon. It is the third carbon. It is fourth carbon. It is fifth carbon, sixth carbon, seventh, 8th carbon, 9th carbon, and 10th carbon. So parent chain contains 10 carbons. In this, what are the branches? Branches contains how many carbons? That we'll see. This is the branch, contains one carbon present in this branch. This branch contains 2 carbon atoms. This branch contains 2 carbon atoms. So this branch name we can say ethyl group. This branch name ethyl group. This branch name ethyl group. So how many ethyl groups are there means 2 ethyl groups are there. Therefore we can say this is as a diethyl, we can say. We can say diethyl. This branch contains 1 carbon, therefore it is called methyl. Now we have to say the position, we have to say this methyl present at 3rd carbon, therefore 3 methyl. This ethyl present at 5th carbon, this ethyl present at 6th carbon, therefore 5, 6. 5, 6 we can say. Then totally 10 carbon atoms present. 10 carbon atoms in the sense the root word is dic. Here carbon single bond is present, therefore primary suffix is en. Let us take next compound. We have taken the bond notation like this. Let us select the parent chain here. In the parent chain, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Over the carbon, I am writing the number. Here at this place, I have written 2 in the sense at this place carbon atom is there. That is the meaning. It is 5th carbon, here 6th carbon, 7th carbon, 8th carbon. It is the parent chain. Now let us select a branch. And also we will mention branch contains how many carbons. This branch contains 1 carbon. This branch contains 1 carbon. This branch contains 1 carbon. This branch also contains 1 carbon. This branch also contains 1 carbon. That means all the branches contain 1 carbon each. Here. Like this, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1 carbon branches are there. That means pentamethyl, we can say. Pentamethyl. We have to say the position now. This methyl and this methyl present at 2nd carbon, therefore 2, 2. This methyl and this methyl present at 6th carbon, therefore 6, 6. 6, 6. This methyl present at 7th carbon. Okay, like this numbering. If we give numbering in another way, how it will come, we will see. It is 1, it is 2. Okay, 2. Here 3, 3. 3, 3. 4, 5, 6. Here 7, 7. 7, 7. Okay, and 8. So now we will see the sum of the locants. How it is there, we'll see. Sum of the locants will be how much we'll see. Here 22 we are getting sum of the locants. We will see here 10, 16, 23 we are getting. We are getting 23. Sum of the locants. Here 10, 16, 23. Here if we see 22 we are getting. Sum of the locants. So which is correct? This 23377 is the correct one. Okay. So this we will neglect. Therefore, we are taking numbering. We are giving numbering in this way. Okay. 23377. That we will take. So 23377. Next, parent chain contains 8 carbon atoms. Therefore, we can say octane. Next, we'll go for next compound. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH, CH3 twice, then CH, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2 4 times, then CH3. What is the name of this compound? We will see. We will select a parent chain here. The parent chain is a main. This is the parent chain. Then we will give the position. The branch we will say this is one branch. This branch is called a secondary butyl. This branch is called secondary butyl. Okay, secondary butyl. This branch is called isopropyl. That branch name isopropyl we said. Okay. Now we have to say which is first. We have to say whether secondary butyl or isopropyl. Here, first letter we have to see, that is B. Butyl B we have to see. Secondary S we should not take. In the same way, in the isopropyl, propyl P we have to take. Propyl first letter P, that we have to take. So B and P, first letter is B and next only P. Therefore, secondary butyl first, next only isopropyl. Then let us give the positions. Here number 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Isopropyl is at 4, secondary butyl at 5. Then parent chain contains 10 carbon atoms, therefore dic, and carbon-carbon single bond, therefore N. Okay. Next, CH2 4 times. Next, CH, CH2, C, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. Here CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. Here CH2, CH3. Here we'll select the main parent chain. It is the main parent chain. Branch name we will say, branch name, this branch is ethyl. Then this branch, in this small parent we have to select, that is a small parent in the sense we can say this is 1 dash carbon, it is 2 dash carbon, it is 3 dash carbon, it is 4 dash carbon, like that we said. Now we will say the name. This name we will say, this branch name we will say first, that is ethyl. This in this branch name, this is one branch, this is one branch, 2 times methyl groups, therefore dimethyl. And here 4 carbon atoms, therefore butyl. Now this is this methyl present at 2 dash, this methyl present at 2 dash, therefore 2 dash comma 2 dash. Then this is present at which position in the main parent we have to see. This is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5. Therefore it is present at 5th carbon. This ethyl present at 3rd. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbons are there, therefore decay. Let us go for this one. Name we said like this. Is there any other possibility for this? Any other possible name for this? That we'll see. Now, I will select the parent now. In what manner you see? I have selected the parent like this. How many carbon atoms are there? You see 2, 5, 7, 9, 10. 10 carbon atoms are there. How many branches you see? 1, 2, 3. 3 branches we are getting. But in this main straight line means how many branches? 2 branches. Therefore, which is correct? So, which is correct in the sense this rose color is correct because number of branches are more. Therefore, we have to select the parent chain like this only. Like this only we have to select the parent chain. So, therefore, the parent chain is which one in the sense this is the parent chain. Therefore, this name is wrong. Because number of branches are 3 if we select like this. If we select like this, number of branches 3, therefore like this only we have to select. Sorry. Now, if this is a number of branches 3, for this branch is complex substituent. Therefore, how to name this one, that we'll see. This complex substituent, how to name. So, for this we have to select the parent. In the parent, this carbon we are giving 1 dash, it is 2 dash, it is 3 dash, it is 4 dash. So, this is branch. This branch name is ethyl. This branch name is ethyl. This we can say butyl. This ethyl present at 2 dash carbon. This complex substituent present at which carbon in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5th carbon, this methyl, it is methyl present. There are 2 methyl groups present at 3rd carbons, 3, 3 dimethyl. And here totally how many carbon atoms are there means 10 carbon atoms, therefore decade. So name of this compound is so and so. Okay. Next we will go for alkenes. Next we will take alkenes. Alkenes general formula is CnH2n. Alkenes general formula is CnH2n, we can say. Here n is minimum 2. Less than 2 not possible. N is 2. Okay. So n is 2, 3, 4, 5 like this possibility is there. Now n is equal to 2, we will substitute, we will get C2H4. C2H4 we can write it as 2 carbon atoms. Between carbon atoms we must write double bond. Then for this carbon give 2 hydrogens. For this carbon give 2 hydrogens. Now carbon gets 4 valency. This we can write in condensed manner. This carbon is having 2 hydrogens, therefore CH2. This double bond, this carbon is having 2 hydrogens, therefore CH2. Like this we can say. For this we will say the IUPAC name. IUPAC name is 2 carbon atoms present, therefore root word is eth, alk word is eth, carbon-carbon double bond means ene. It is the IUPAC name. Common name for this compound is ethylene. Ethylene is the common name. IUPAC name is ethene. Next we will take N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 means C3H6. Here 3 carbon atoms are there. That 3 carbon atoms will write. Now you write CC double bond at one place you write. At one place we will write CC double bond. In another place we will write CC single bond. Only one CC double bond we have to write. Only one CC double bond we are writing. Okay. Then let us give hydrogens. For this carbon, let us give 3 hydrogens. For this carbon, 1 hydrogen. For this carbon, 2 hydrogens. Then this carbon is having 3 hydrogens. Therefore, we will write CH3. This single bond will write. This carbon is having 1 hydrogen. Therefore, CH. This is a double bond. This carbon is having 2 hydrogens. Therefore, CH2 will write. Now, here 3 carbon atoms present. Therefore, we can say prop. Then CC double bond is there, therefore ene. So the name of IUPAC name of this compound is propene. Then common name we will say, the common name is what in the sense propylene. Propylene is the common name. Propylene is the common name. Okay. Next we will take N is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 in the sense C4H10. For C4H10, what is the possibility? We will see 4 carbon atoms will write. CC double bond will give here, then remaining places CC single bond will give, then 4 carbon atoms. CC double bond we will write here, single bonds we will give like this. Then we will write this carbon as a branch here. So that carbon we have written as a branch. This many isomers are possible. Then we will give hydrogens. Hydrogens for this carbon is having single bond, therefore 3 hydrogens. Here 2 hydrogens. This carbon is having 3 bonds, so 1 hydrogen. For this carbon 2 hydrogens. Here 3, here 1, here 1, here 3. For this carbon 3 hydrogens, for this carbon 2 hydrogens, for this carbon 3 hydrogens. Now how to say the name? We will say here 4 carbon atoms present, therefore bute. CC double bond, therefore ene. Here 4 carbon atoms, therefore bute. CC double bond, therefore ene. Here parent chain we have to select. Here parent chain is this one. This parent chain contains 3 carbon atoms, therefore prop. Therefore we can say prop. CC double bond is there, therefore ene. This branch name we can say methyl. This branch name we can say methyl. Then we have to give the positions. Here we can see give the numbering. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. CC double bond present between number 1 and 2. Therefore position of double bond is 1. Here also we will give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. CC double bond present between 2 and 3 carbons. Therefore position is 2. Here 1, 2, 3. Methyl group present at second carbon. Therefore 2 methyl. CC double bond present between 1 and 2 carbons. Therefore position is 1. Position 1 means if we position 1 we need not say. If we say also, if we say no problem. If we do not say also no problem. Position 1 means say. Now in this case common name will see this second carbon is having 2 methyl groups. Therefore we can say iso. Isobutylene. Isobutylene we can say. Generally butylene means this one. Common name is this one. Butylene means this one. Common name is this, not this. For this we cannot say common name. So IUPAC name only we can say. That's what we said here. For a before case, for this common name we said propylene. Okay. Next we'll take some other compounds. We'll take the compound like this. CH3, C, CH3, double bond, CH, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. We have taken like this compound. For this compound, let us select a main parent. For this compound, we have selected main parent. We have selected. Next, we will give the numbering. Numbering will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what is a branch in the sense? Branch is methyl here. How many methyl groups means 2 methyl groups, therefore di. Position of methyl groups is here 2, here 5. If we give numbering from left side, right side if we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then also 2, 5 only we are getting. Then which side we have to give? We have to start from left only because CC double bond is the functional group that should get least position. So we have to start from left only, not from right. Sir, parent chain contains 6 carbon atoms, therefore X, CC double bond, therefore ene, that CC double bond present between 2 and 3 carbons, therefore position is 2. Next compound we will take CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. Now here we will select a parent chain. We will select the parent chain is this one. Then how to give numbering in the sense see such that numbering we must start from left side, not from right side. Because CC double bond has to get least position when compared to alkyl branches. Here if we give numbering from right side, methyl groups get position 2. But CC double bond will get higher position. We will see even in the form in terms of some of the locants also we'll see. Here position of double bond is 2, here position of methyl is 5 and another methyl is 5, totally 12, sum of the locants. We will start giving numbering from right side, then methyl group will get second position, it is third, it is fourth. Double bond will get fourth position, then we will get 8. Sum of the locants is like this. Though sum of the locants is high here, we must give numbering from left side only because double bond must get least position. We should not see sum of the locants now, because in the functional groups, that means CC double bond gets higher priority when compared to alkyl groups. Therefore, we must give CC double bond least position. So numbering has to be started from left side, not from right side. Okay. Now we will say the name. We'll say the name. These two methyl groups are there. Therefore, we'll say dimethyl. This methyl group present at 5th carbon. That another methyl group also present at 5th carbon. Parent chain contains 6 carbon atoms. Therefore, X. CC double bond. Therefore, ene. Then position of CC double bond is 2. Position of CC double bond we said 2. Okay. Next, we'll take another compound. Now we will see the bond notation. Bond notation manner will take here double bond. Like this we have given. Now we will select a main parent. In the parent, CC double bond must be there. CC double bond must be there. Like that you have to select the parent. Okay. So the parent chain is this. So parent we have selected. Then we have to say positions, the numbering we have to say number 1, it is second carbon, it is third carbon, it is fourth carbon, it is fifth carbon, it is sixth carbon. This is methyl group. This methyl group branch. Now branch we will say this branch contains 1 carbon. This branch contains 2 carbons. 2 carbons. Now the name we will say 2 carbons in the sense ethyl we can say 1 carbon in the sense methyl. Then numbering will give this methyl present at second carbon, this ethyl present at fourth carbon, then totally 6 carbon atoms means X, CC double bond means ene, that ene present at first carbon. So the name of this compound is this one. Next we will see, next compound we will take. Like that we have taken. Now we will say the name of this one. Here parent chain is containing first carbon, parent chain second carbon, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. It is the parent chain. Parent chain numbering also we have given. Now which are branches? Which are branches in the sense this branch contains 1 carbon. This branch contains 1 carbon. So 2 branches are there. This name is 2 methyl groups, therefore dimethyl. Dimethyl. This methyl present at second carbon. This methyl present at 5th carbon. So 2, 5 dimethyl. Parent chain contains 8 carbon atoms, therefore oct. CC double bond present at 2 and 3, therefore position is 2 and ene. Name of this compound is so and so. Next, we'll take dienes. Dienes in the sense 2 times CC double bond will be there. 2 times CC double bond will be there. That will take CH3, CH double bond, C double bond, CH2. This compound we are taking. Here totally 5 carbon atoms are there. Therefore pent we can say. Then 2 double bonds are there. Therefore we can say diene. 2 double bonds. Therefore diene. Then we will give the numbering. Numbering how we are giving in the sense here number 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. For this double bond position is 1. For this double bond position is 2. Therefore 1, 2. Then Diene means here you have to include A. So penta 1, 2 diene, we have to say the name of this compound. Next, we'll take CH2 double bond, CH double bond, CH2. Here 4 carbon atoms, therefore but, 2 double bonds, therefore diene. Then numbering we